Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to copy multiple messages in the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Signal app on your mobile device and log in if you haven't already. This ensures you have access to all your conversations and can manage your messages effectively. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface of Signal. Look at the bottom left corner of your screen and tap on Chats. This will take you to your list of conversations where you can see all your active message threads with different contacts or groups. Now, navigate through your chat list and tap on the conversation that contains the messages you want to copy. This could be a personal chat with a friend, a family member, or even a group conversation. Opening the conversation will display all the messages exchanged in that thread. Here's where the actual copying process begins. Find the first message you want to copy and long press on it. When you do this, a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, tap on Select. This action puts Signal into selection mode, allowing you to choose multiple messages at once rather than just copying a single message. Once you're in selection mode, you'll notice that you can now tap on additional messages to include them in your selection. Go ahead and tap on all the other messages you want to copy. Each message you tap will be highlighted, showing you exactly which messages are currently selected. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to share information, save important details, or keep a record of specific parts of a conversation without having to copy each message individually. After you've selected all the messages you need, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a copy option appear there. Tap on Copy, and Signal will instantly copy all your selected messages to your device's clipboard. The messages are now ready to be pasted wherever you need them, whether that's in another chat, a Notes app, or any other application on your phone. And that's it, you've successfully copied multiple messages from Signal in just a few simple taps. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.